Alright YouTube, this is the No BS how to remove your door handle from a 2010 Dodge Challenger. I'm sure this will work probably up to 11, maybe even 15. Okay, take off your door panel, screw in the latch, screw in your door handle, 3 across the bottom, door pegs there, lift straight up, pull it out. Peel this back, window up, okay? Inside of there, it's 8mm. There's no screw from the side, from the outside, so you don't have to take that off. What you do need to know is that there are 3 screws or nuts, okay? That's where these little guys come in totally handy. They're great little ratcheters. Okay, you're gonna have the 2 on the outside, which are nuts, which is that guy here, that guy there. You reach up underneath the window, but the one they don't tell you about is this little guy. That's the 3rd one that's holding this little bracket on that keeps it from sliding out. Okay, pop that one off, those 2, pull it off. Oh, and do yourself a favor, that little clasp right there, it may be different on yours. On mine, I still haven't gotten it off. I have just got it out, so I'm taking this video, but you can see it is tight. Pop it off from the other end. That gives you a lot of slack. Then when you get it out, you can take whatever you got and pop it off. Okay, so there you go YouTube. I searched and searched, couldn't find a stupid video on this, and every one I found was wrong, and I had me tear half my door apart, and I didn't have to. So ta-da, you're welcome. Have a good day.